In this tutorial, I'll show you how to trade directly on the chart with TradingView and Forex.com. By the end, you'll have your Forex.com account connected inside TradingView, so you can place and manage trades directly from the chart. First, open TradingView and go to the main chart layout. Make sure you're logged into your TradingView account so the trading connection can be saved to your profile. On screen, you should see your chart area, the symbol you're viewing, and the panels around it. Next, open the Trading panel. Move to the bottom of the screen and click the Trading panel tab. This opens the broker connection area where you can link TradingView to a supported broker. You'll see a grid of broker logos and names. From here, select Forex.com. Click the Forex.com tile in the list of supported brokers. This tells TradingView you want to route orders through your Forex.com account directly from the chart. After clicking, a login window will appear on top of your chart. Now, log into your Forex.com account in the pop-up window. Type your username and password for your Forex.com account. You can use either a live account or a demo account, depending on what you want to trade with. Double-check your details before submitting to avoid lockouts. When you're ready, click to continue. At this point, note that only Forex Trader accounts are supported for direct trading on TradingView. MetaTrader accounts cannot be used here. If you normally sign into MetaTrader, that login will not connect in this window. Make sure the credentials you enter are for a Forex Trader account with Forex.com. Once that's done, you authorize the connection to start trading. The pop-up will ask you to confirm that TradingView can connect to your Forex.com account. Click the Authorize or Confirm button. After a moment, you should see the connection status update in the Trading panel, showing that Forex.com is linked. The panel may display your account type, balance, and the account number confirming you're connected. With the connection authorized, your chart is now trading enabled. You'll notice trading controls appear on the right side of the chart or in the order panel, and your account will be listed as the active broker at the bottom. From here, orders you submit will route through Forex.com, and your positions and orders will display on the chart as you trade. If the login window closes and you don't see a connection status, click the Trading panel tab again and verify that Forex.com shows as connected. If it doesn't, click the Forex.com tile once more and repeat the login and authorization steps to complete the link. Stay on the same browser tab until you see the confirmation. Now that the Trading panel shows Forex.com as connected, you can work entirely from the chart. The order panel will let you choose order type, quantity, and price, and the chart will reflect your orders once placed. Your account information in the Trading panel will update as positions change. This connection uses your existing Forex.com permissions, so any risk settings or product access on your account will apply here as well. Before you move on, quickly scan the broker status at the bottom of the screen to make sure it reads connected, and that the account displayed is the one you intended to use, either live or demo. This prevents submitting orders to the wrong environment. If you need to switch between live and demo later, use the same Trading panel flow and sign into the desired account. You've now connected TradingView to Forex.com and can trade directly on the chart. The setup is complete and working. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.